Welcome in online teaching. Good morning, students. I am Mahesh Kumar, your math teacher. So, today we are going to start chapter number 2, the four basic operations, which are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, today we are going to start addition and subtraction of large numbers. So, in which first is addition. There are some rules of addition, which are the first one, the sum will remain same irrespective of the order of the number being added, which means in addition we can change the order of numbers. Like as you are seeing the first example, it is 20 plus 30, we will get 50, and if you will add 30 plus 20, again we will get 50. That means in addition we can change the order, which will not affect the result. Now, second is when 0 is added to any number, the sum is the number itself. Like as you are seeing the example, when we add 0 in 25, you will got 25. Now, there is a question based on addition, like here. Here we have to add these number. So, what is the first step? First, we will write these number according to the place value chart, or you may say column wise. And then we will start addition from the last, or you may say from the ones place. So let's start addition now. 8 plus 2 10, and 10 plus 1 11 of 1, carry over 1. Now 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 of plus this carry 1, you will got 19, so 19 of 9, again carry over 1. Now 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 5 18, and 18 plus this carry 1, you will got 19, 19 of 9, carry over 1. Now you will add 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 13, and 13 plus this carry 1, you will got 14, so 14 of 4, carry over 1. Now 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, and 12 plus this carry 1, you will got 13, so 13 of 3, carry over 1. Now 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 7 18, 18 plus this carry 1, you will got 19, so 19 of 9, carry over 1. Now when you will add 9 plus 8, you will got 17, and 17 plus this carry 1, you will got 18, so 18 of 8, carry over 1. When we will add this number and this carry, we will get 6 plus 1 7. So the result is 7 crore 89 lakh 34,991. In this, I would like to tell you that the numbers which we add are called addends, and the result is called sum. Now, next is subtraction, in which there are some rules, which are: first one, when a number is subtracted from the number itself, the difference is always 0. Like as you are seeing the example, when we subtract 25 from 25, we will got 0. Second is when 0 is subtracted from any number, the difference is the number itself. Like as you are seeing here, when we subtract 0 from 25, we will got 25 minus 0 equals to 25. Now third one is the order of number in subtraction cannot be changed. Like as I have told you in addition that we can change the order. In addition we can change the order of number, but in subtraction we cannot change the order of number. Like as you are seeing the example, when we will subtract 10 from 25, like 25 minus 10, we will got 15. Can we subtract 25 from 10? No. Which means in subtraction the greater number should always be above the smaller number. Here is a question based on subtraction. Like here we have to subtract this 7 crore 87 lakh 65,432 from 9 crore 75 lakh 84,200. So as the word from is written, so we will write the last number first, and we always write the number which is after from first, and the first number after this. Again we will start from the last. Now, as you are seeing here, can you subtract 2 from 0? No. So what we will take? We will take borrow. So we will take borrow from the next digit, as the next digit is 0. So again we can't take borrow. So this second 0 will take borrow from the next digit, as it is 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become 10. And now this 10 will give borrow to next 0. So the last 0 will become 10, and this 10 will become, which is at 10's place, will become 9. Now we will subtract 10 minus 2, we will get 8, and 9 minus 3, we will get 6. And now, as you are seeing here, can you subtract 4 from 1? We can't. So again this one will take borrow from the next number, so this will become 11, and the number which is 4 will become 3. Now 11 minus 4, you will got 7. Now again we can't subtract 5 from 3, so this 3 will take borrow from the next digit, which is 8. So this 8 will become 7, and we will subtract 13 minus 5, we will get 8. And when we will subtract 6 from 7, we will got 1. Now next is 5. Here we have to subtract 7 from 5. We can't. So again we will take borrow. So this 5 will become 15, and the next number, which is 7, will become 6. Now 15 minus 7, you will got 8, and again we can't subtract 8 from 6. So again we will take borrow. So this 6 will become 16, and the number which is after it will 9, that is 9, will become 8. Now 16 minus 8, you will got 8, and when you will subtract 7 from 8, right, 8 minus 7, you will got 1. So the result is 1,88,18,768. Now, in which I would like to tell you that in subtraction, the bigger number is called minuend, or you may say the number from which we are subtracting is called minuend, and the smaller number is called subtrahend. Like the number from which we are subtracting from, the number from which is subtracting from the bigger one is called subtrahend, and the result is called difference. So students, this is all for today. We will learn more in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.